Hello students, last time we will discuss on solution. Two topics. First topic is azeotropic mixture and second is colligative properties. Today we will discuss on new chapter coordination compound, chapter 9 in 12th. First, name according to name of chapter coordination compound means which compound are formed by coordination bond. What is meant by coordination bond? When two species like as A and B to form coordination bond, when one species is donate lone pair of electron other species, then form bond is known as coordination bond. Coordination bond is represented by arrow sign. First, in this chapter, addition compound. What is the addition compound? According to name, addition means which compounds are formed by two or more than two staple compounds additions. When two or more than two stable compound are mixed in molecular ratio or vaporization are called molecular or addition compound. Molecular or addition compounds are two types. First type is known as double salt and second type is known as complex compound or coordination compound. First we will study double salt. Double salt means according to name salt in form doubling. These salt are obtained by the combination of two different salt which crystallize together as a single substance but ionized as two distinct salt when dissolved in water. Means double salt is formed in a single substance but when dissolved in water then give distinct in ions and gives all test of ions present in double salt. These salt are obtained by the combination of two different salt which crystallize together as a single substance but ionized as two distinct salt when dissolved in water. Next point of double salt, those salt lost their identity. What is meant by lost their identity? Which dissociate into ions when dissolved in water, then lost their identity in solution. That is when dissolved in water, they give taste of all the ions present in the salt. These are also called lattice compound because when two ionic compound like as A and B are ionic compound, this bond is dissociate, then releasing energy is known as lattice energy. Then these compound is formed by lattice energy, bond formed by lattice energy known as lattice compound. Then double salt also known as lattice compound. The properties of the double salt are the same as those of constituent compounds which is formed by like as aqueous solution of more salt. More salt is known as chemical compound ferrous ammonium sulfate. General formula FeSO4 NH4 whole twice SO4 dot 6H2O. Ferrous ammonium sulfate, also known as FAS, ferrous A ammonium S sulfate. Salt get dissociate in Fe2 plus, NH4 plus and SO4 2 minus ions when dissolved in water. Like as this is more salt in aqueous form. Aqueous form means this salt is dissolved in water. Then give Fe2 plus, NH4 plus and SO4 2 minus ions. When this formula of double salt is written, then used dot, like as FeSO4 dot, NH4 whole twice SO4 dot 6H2O, then used dotted in formula. Second compound is coordination compound, complex compound. These is also addition molecular compounds which retain their identity in solid state as well as in a dissolved state. Both state identity is same, not lost their identity in no solid state and also no in dissolved state. They do not dissociate in simple ions when dissolved in water, like as potassium hexacyanidopherrate K4FeCN6 formed by potassium, iron and cyanide. But in aqueous state, it do not show the properties of Fe2 plus and Cn minus ions, which because due to presence of coordination bond and not dissociated into hydration energy. Next, they do not show properties of constituent ions separately in this compound due to presence of coordination bond. Next point, difference between double salt and coordination compound, complex compound. This side is double salt and this side is complex compound. First, double salt. Double salt exists only in a solid state, not exist in a aqueous form. But complex compound exists in solid and aqueous form. Both form exist, but exist only solid form. First difference between double salt and complex compound. Second difference, metal ion in double salt, metal ion exhibits its normal valency of central atom, but in complex compound metal ion does not exhibit its normal valency. Third, the properties of double salt are essentially the same as those of constituent compounds. But in complex compound, the properties of complex compound are different from the constituent compounds. Fourth difference between double salt and complex. When double salt is dissolved in water, it gives three ions, two simple cation and one anion. Like as this difference example is explained by following examples. This is a double salt. When dissolved in water, then three ions is give. Two cation. What is meant by cation? Positive charge. Two cation and one anion. What is meant by anion? Negative charge. When double salt is dissolved in water, then give two cation and one anion. But when complex compound is dissolved in water, it gives only two ions, in which one cation and one anion. This point will be complete. First point, addition. Addition classified in two types. First, double salt, and second is coordination compound. Next, some important terms of coordination compound. First is central metal atom, central ion. What is a central ion? Cation or neutral metal ion is surrounded by is surrounded by two or more than two neutral molecules oblique neutral molecules oblique anions, means central metal ions always present in a cationic form. What is mean by cation? Means always in a positive form. More than two neutral molecules oblique anions by coordination bond are known as a central atom. The central ion having tendency to accept electron pair because it has vacant orbital of equivalent energy, then known as Lewis acid. According to Lewis concept, lone pair of electron accepting tendency, which species always in nature is a acid, then also known as Lewis acid. For example, K4FeCN6. Here Fe, iron, is a central atom and Cn is a ligand. 6CN ligand is surrounded to central atom. Next point, ligand. Ligand is an atom or molecule or ion which has to tendency to donate a lone pair of electrons to the central metal ion, known as ligand, means which species always tendency to lone pair of electron donating. According to Lewis concept, which species lone pair of electron donating, known as Lewis base. Then ligands also known as Lewis base. Donating nature then known as called donor atom, and formation of coordination bond then known as coordinating atom, also known as Lewis base according to lone pair of electron donor atom. For example, this complex is given. In this complex, Ag is a central atom and NH3 is ligands, represented by this. Ag, lone pair of electron accepting having lone pair of electron accepting tendency, then known as central atom, and NH3 is donating lone pair of electron, then known as ligands. Next, type of ligand. Type of the ligand on the basis of number of donor atom. Donor atom, how many donor atom? Like as in NH3, one donor atom N. In NH3, one donor atom N. Donor atom ligands are classified in 6 parts, or ligands are 6 types. First type is known as unidentate ligand, which they have, according to name, they have only one donor atom. Only one donor atom. These are 3 types. These are 3 types based on charge. Based on charge, like as negative charge, positive charge, or neutral. First, which ligand have zero charge, no charge, means neutral ligand, neutral unidentate ligand. Which unidentate ligand? Without charge, known as neutral unidentate ligand. Following ligands are unidentate ligand, like as number first, NH3. NH3 in only N having lone pair of electrons, then one donating species known as unidentate, and no charge, then known as neutral ligand. Name of NH3 in neutral form known as amine. H2O aqua, PS3 phosphine, having no charge, and according to donating species 1, then known as unidentate ligand. Second type, negative unidentate ligand, means which only one donating species present having negative charge, known as negative unidentate ligand, like as halo group. Halo group represented by X minus, halo, we know halo is created by halogen group. Halogen group in periodic table 17 group known as halogen group. -1 charge known as halo and having negative charge species. Ligand suffix always used O, like as halo, hydroxido, cyanido, isocianido, nitrito, O. O is suffix when ligand is negative nature. Third, when ligand is unidentate but having charge positive, then known as positive unidentate ligand. Positive unidentate ligand means unidentate only one donor atom but having positive charge, and suffix always when unidentate ligand and positive having positive charge having species having ligand always suffix used em, like as formula NO2 plus charge +1. This compound is known as nitro, but in having positive charge, then suffix is em, name is nitronium, and one donor atom is N. 3 positive unidentate ligands examples are following. Number 2, bidentate ligand. According to name, which species having two donor atom known as bidentate ligand. When ligand is 1, then monodentate, unidentate, then 2 known as bidentate ligand. For example, like as formula oxalato C2O4. Here 2 donor atom, 2 oxygen having charge -2. Oxalato O, because having charge is negative, then suffix is used O. Here 2 oxygen atom is donor. Next example, ethane 1,2-diamine, most example represented by En. Here 2 nitrogen atom is donor, then known as bidentate. Following examples of bidentate ligands. Third, next tridentate. According to name, when 3 dentate having 3 dentate 3 donor atom present, then known as tridentate. For example, diethylene triamine, 2 3N group and 3N group, then known as 3N donor atom present, then known as tridentate. Next example, imino-diacetylato. Here 1 nitrogen and 2 oxygen and 1 nitrogen, total 3 donor atom, then known as tridentate ligand. Next, tetradentate having 4, then known as tetradentate ligand. For example, triethylene tetraamine, triethylene 1 2 3, triethylene and tetraamine 1 2 3 and 4. Here 4 nitrogen donor atom are present in this structure, then tetradentate. Also known as, important name of this compound ligand is known as triene. Also known as triene. This structure of tetradentate ligand. Next example, nitrile triacetate. Here 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen, total 4 donor atom, then also known as a tetradentate ligand. Next example, next ligand is type pentadentate. According to name, 5 donor atom are present. For example, ethylene diamine triacetate. Ethylene diamine, here 2 nitrogen and 3 oxygen are present, represented by EDTA 3-, 3- charge, 1 2 and 3- charge, and 5 donor atom, 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 3 oxygen and 2 nitrogen, total 5 donor atom are present, EDTA 3- pentadentate. Last, hexadentate ligand, which have 6 donor atom are present, represented by EDTA 4-, ethylene diamine, here tri but here tetraacetate. 1, 2, 2 nitrogen and 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygen. Then total 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus charge having species known as hexadentate ligand. This ligand it complete in coordination compounds. Types of ligand.